Hello students, today we'll do Standard 6 NCERT Maths Chapter 3, Exercise 3.3, that is divisibility test. Now students, what is divisibility? Divisibility means you have to tell whether the given number is divisible by any other given number. ठीक है? So when do we say a number is divisible by the given number? When the remainder is 0, then only we can say it is divisible. ठीक है? Now, if I give you a number and if I ask you whether it is divisible by 8 or 6, can you tell it without actual division? No, if it's a big number, you can't tell. So, there are some divisibility tests we can do. Simple calculation if you do, you will know whether it is divisible or not. So, in this part of the lesson, you will learn some divisibility test for some numbers, okay? So, first we will start with 10, that is divisibility by 10. Now, observe the numbers. These are all multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, okay? Now, all these numbers are multiples of 10 as you know. In other words, we can say that these numbers are divisible by 10. That is, when we divide these numbers by 10, we get 0 as remainder. Now, as you see, something is common. All the numbers have 0 in their units or ones place. So, if a number has 0 in the ones place, then it is divisible by 10. So, this is the divisibility test of 10. Then, next comes divisibility by 5. Now, observe the numbers. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Now, look at the ones place. We have 5 or 0 in the ones place. You all know the table of 5, right? Now, all these numbers are multiples of 5. So, we can say a number which has either 0 or 5 in its ones place, it is divisible by 5. Now, third one, divisibility by 2. Now, observe the following numbers. Now, 10 and 5 very easy, so we took the multiples of 10 and 5. Now, 2. Now, observe these numbers 10, 12, 14, 26, 138, etc. Now, if we divide these numbers by 2, we get remainder 0. So, we can say they are divisible by 2. Now, as you see, these numbers have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in their ones place. That is, they are even numbers. You know what are even numbers, okay? Numbers which have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in their ones place, they are called even numbers. So, even numbers are divisible by 2. So, we can say a number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place. Okay. Now coming to the fourth one, divisibility by 3. Now observe the numbers 21, 36, 54, 219. Now are these numbers divisible by 3? Now try to add the digits of these numbers. That is 21, we can add 2 plus 1, we get 3. Then 36, 3 plus 6, we get 9. 54, 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Okay. Then 219, if we add, we get 12. Now we see that the sum of the digits, they are divisible by 3. And we all know that these numbers are multiples of 3. So, we can say if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Now we will see 2-3 examples more of the numbers which are not divisible by 3. So this concept will be clear to you. Now 25, if we add 2 plus 5 we get 7. 37, if we add 3 plus 7 we get 10. 260, if we add the digits 2 plus 6 plus 0 we get 8. Now 7, 10, 8, they are not divisible by 3. They are not multiples of 3. So we say 25, 37 and 260 are not divisible by 3. Okay. Now next, divisibility by 6. Now as you know, 6 we can write as 2 into 3. That is 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. So if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is divisible by 6 also. That is, the number should be divisible by 2 and 3 also. Then only it will be divisible by 6. दोनों से डिवाइड होता है 2 and 3 से, तो ही वो 6 से डिवाइड होगा. ओके. नाउ let us take one example. 18. It is divisible by 2. Why? Because 8 is in the ones place. We have already learnt. And it is divisible by 3 because 1 plus 8 is 9. And 9 is divisible by 3. Okay. So 18 is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So we can say 18 is also divisible by 6. Now let us see an example which is not divisible by 6. Now 27. Now 27, it is not divisible by 2. Why? Because 7 is in the ones place. But it is divisible by 3. 2 plus 7 is 9 and 9 is divisible by 3. But it is not divisible by both the numbers. Only it is divisible by only 3. So we can say 27 is not divisible by 6. Okay. So today we have learned divisibility tests for 10, 5, 2, 3 and 6. So some more numbers are there, some more divisibility tests are there. We will learn them in the next session. Thank you.